And the last, what I want to mention before we start learning JavaScript itself, it's very important tool, it's Chrome Developer Tool, or in general Developer Console. Developer tools which are in all most popular browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, Opera. So what is this? So if you are a human, a real live human, I'm sure that when you create a code, you will create this code with errors, and to find these errors we need some tool. Because of when we create a website and if there is an error, you won't see this error on the screen. So how can we find this error? To do it, we need a special tool. It's Chrome or Firefox Developer Tool. So how can we open this tool? The first one we can open by inspect, clicking inspect on menu, or F12, or on Mac OS you can open Cmd+Opt+J. So this tool helps you to see the errors in your script. So even on this side we see that we have first of all the warnings about cookie, and we have two errors with post messages and some with failed load resources. So you see that we have some errors and we need to solve or fix these errors. In the same time, this tool allows us to do a lot of other things. The first one is elements. Elements, it shows the whole document. It's a DOM, document object model, which shows you all parts of your application, all text, how it looks, and you can edit it if you need. Find, change, edit. Also we have console. Additionally, it shows errors, and in the same time we can write some JavaScript in this console. So let's imagine that we need to calculate something. We will have result. And what's important, it shows the document structure or object structure. Let's open window. For example, it's main object in JavaScript in browser. So we can open it and we can see what is inside. So we see information about screen, about navigator, about location, history. Almost all these parts will be described in our lectures, in the next lectures, because of they are very important. Why I like this tool? Because we have such tool like toggle device toolbar, and we can switch our device into, for example, mobile view, how it will look on, for example, iPhone X. So, and we can see that we can develop mobile view, how it will look on different phones and, for example, tablets. It's very important because of when you create your application, you need to debug and test it in all environments on all devices, and this tool helps you to test it in this emulation environment. Also we have, let's open Safari. In Safari we have similar tool. It's not so popular, but anyway, let's open, for example, apple.com, and what we need to go, usually it's closed, you need to go to window, Safari, preferences, there is advanced, and in the end we will see that show developer menu in menu bar. Let's click it, and now when we open menu bar you will see inspect element, and it shows you similar dev tool. It's not so useful and not so good as it is in Chrome or Firefox, but anyway, in Safari we have usually a lot of errors and we need to fix these bugs somehow. So this tool will help you to solve these bugs. Summary: developer tools allows us to see errors, run commands, examine variables, and much more. Also we can open this tool by clicking F12 or Cmd+Opt+J or Cmd+Opt+C for Safari, but usually we click by inspect element on a command on menu bar. So it's very important, and if you are junior or newbies in JavaScript or web development at all, you need to learn these tools and how they work, because without knowing how it works, what options do we have, you can't debug or develop your application.